Hello everyone, my name is Shiladitya and my roll number is 20CH10061 and my section is section 6. Today I have made another project on Proteus which is titled Generation of a Continuous Wave at Digital Pin number 13 and Observing it Using an Oscilloscope. This is made on behalf of the assignment that was given to us on DIY. Now, in the schematic capture section, we can have a look of the circuit diagram, which shows the Arduino Atmega 328P, an LED, an RGB LED, and an oscilloscope. Now, let's go to the source code. Now, in the source code within the void setup, I have used the pin mode function to give an output at digital pin number 13, in which the oscilloscope is connected. Now, within the void loop, I have written these three codes, which will basically assign the time for which the oscilloscope or the LED will be on. That is, for the first part of the wave, the T on time is 0.5 seconds. So here it is 500 milliseconds. Then again, after a delay of 1000 milliseconds or 1 second, that is for this time the wave will be remained off. Then again similarly the other two codes, this will be having on for 0.25 seconds and then off for 0.5 seconds, and again on for 2 seconds and then off for 4 seconds. So after the code, we can move to the schematic capture section to have a look on the simulation. Now here we can see that the LED is on for 0.5 seconds in the first part, then again 0.25 seconds in the second part, and then for 2 seconds in the third part. Now we are going to connect the oscilloscope to get the reading. First, for this we have to switch off the simulation. Now we have to connect the oscilloscope at the IO13 pin. Then we can go for simulation. Now for viewing the wave, we have to go to debug and choose digital oscilloscope. Now here we can see that it is showing a continuous wave of this form. Now changing it from AC to DC in channel D, we can see that it forms the waves, a continuous wave which is a square wave, as we can see here. Now using these buttons, we can adjust the shape. Now here we can see the complete square wave. Thank you.